Did you know that you can enjoy the relaxation and luxury of a spa in your own home without spending a fortune? Today we're going to talk about something we all love: inflatable hot tubs. If you're thinking about adding a touch of luxury and relaxation to your home, this video is for you. And remember, in the description, we've included links to all these products so you can check the prices or buy them directly. Let's get started. Best Way Spa first on our list is the Best Way Spa. This inflatable hot tub is known for its durability and ease of use. Let's break down all its features so you understand why it's such a popular option. Main features: rapid heating system. One of the greatest advantages of the Best Way Spa is its ability to heat the water quickly. In less than an hour, you can have the water at the perfect temperature for a relaxing bath. This is ideal for those days when you need to relax immediately without having to wait. Massage technology. This model features advanced bubble massage technology that provides you with a spa experience in the comfort of your home. The gentle, continuous bubbles help relax your muscles and release accumulated tension. Easy installation. Installing the Best Way Spa is incredibly simple. You don't need complicated tools or technical skills. Just follow the instructions, and in a few minutes, your hot tub will be ready to use. Capacity. With a capacity for up to 4 people, this hot tub is perfect for sharing with family or friends. Whether you want to enjoy a relaxing night alone or share a special moment with loved ones, the Best Way Spa is an excellent choice. Additional details: durable materials. Made with high-quality materials, this hot tub is resistant to the elements and built to last. Digital control. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to adjust the temperature and bubble jets with ease. Included accessories. It comes with a cover to keep the water clean when not in use, as well as a filtration system to ensure the water stays crystal clear. Pros and cons. Pros: durability. Easy to use and maintain. Excellent value for money. Cons: some users mention that the temperature can drop quickly in cold climates. Intex Pure Spa for 6 packs. Next on our list is the Intex Pure Spa for 4 or 6 people. This model is a market favorite thanks to its incredible comfort and powerful bubble jets that guarantee an exceptional hydrotherapy experience. Let's delve into what makes this model so special. Main features: powerful bubble jets. The Intex Pure Spa is equipped with powerful bubble jets that guarantee a complete and relaxing massage. These jets are designed to provide a hydrotherapy experience that rivals traditional spas. Dura Plus. Fiber structure. The Dura Plus structure offers superior strength and durability. This technology ensures that the hot tub maintains its shape and withstands continuous use without deforming. Adjustable temperature control. You can adjust the water temperature to find the perfect heat level you prefer. Whether you want a warm bath or a hot massage, the Intex Pure Spa allows it. Easy maintenance system. It includes a water treatment system that helps keep the water clean and clear with minimal effort. This system is especially useful for those who want to enjoy their hot tub without worrying about constant maintenance. Additional details: puncture-resistant material. The material of this hot tub is extremely resistant to punctures and damage, ensuring it lasts a long time. Automatic inflation. It comes with a built-in air pump that inflates the hot tub automatically, making it even easier to set up. Comfortable seats. The seats are designed to be comfortable and ergonomic, providing maximum comfort during use. Pros and cons. Pros: exceptional comfort, powerful bubble jets, easy to install and maintain. Cons: it can be a bit noisy during operation. Intex Pure Spa Jet 4 to 6 packs. Third, we have the Intex Pure Spa Jet, also available for 4 or 6 people. This model stands out for its powerful and directional massage jets, offering a more intense massage compared to traditional bubbles. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. Main features: directional massage jets. Unlike bubble models, directional jets provide a more concentrated and therapeutic massage. These adjustable jets allow you to direct the water flow to specific areas of your body, providing relief to specific tension points. Hard water treatment system. This system helps keep the water softer and more pleasant for the skin, preventing mineral buildup that can be irritating. This is especially useful if you live in an area with hard water. Intuitive digital control. The digital control panel is very easy to use and allows you to adjust the hot tub settings quickly and easily. You can control the temperature, jets, and other functions with just the press of a button. Durable material. Made with high-quality materials that ensure a long lifespan and resistance to the elements. This hot tub is designed to withstand intensive use and adverse weather conditions. Additional details. Efficient heating system. The heating system is efficient and fast, allowing you to enjoy your hot tub without long waits. Replaceable filters. Includes replaceable filters that ensure the water stays clean and free of impurities. Insulating. Cover. Comes with an insulating cover that helps retain heat and reduce energy consumption. Pros and cons. Pros: more intense and therapeutic massage. Hard water treatment system. Easy to use and set up. Cons: slightly higher price compared to bubble models. Maintenance kit. Last but not least, it's essential to talk about the maintenance kit for your inflatable hot tub. No matter which model you choose, keeping your hot tub clean and in good condition is crucial for a prolonged and healthy usage experience. Let's explore the essential elements included in this kit. Included items: chemicals to balance, pH, maintaining balanced water. pH is fundamental to prevent bacteria growth and ensure the water is safe and comfortable for bathing. The kit includes pH plus, pH minus, and chlorine to keep the water in perfect condition. Cleaning tools. The kit comes with brushes, vacuums, and other accessories to help you keep the hot tub surfaces clean and free of debris. These tools are easy to use and effective in keeping your hot tub in perfect condition. Replacement filters. Filters are essential for keeping the water clean. Make sure to change them regularly to maintain the efficiency of your hot tub. The kit includes several replacement filters, so you always have one on hand. Maintenance instructions. A complete guide that shows you how to care for your hot tub and solve common problems. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for those who have never maintained a hot tub before. Additional details. Shock treatment. The kit includes a shock treatment to deeply clean your hot tub water, eliminating any buildup of bacteria or algae. Protective cover. A protective cover to keep the water free from leaves, insects, and other contaminants when the hot tub is not in use. pH and chlorine meter. Includes a meter to ensure the pH and chlorine levels are always correct. Pros and cons. Pros: keeps water clean and safe. Prolongs the lifespan of the hot tub. Easy to use. Cons: requires regular maintenance, but it's a small price to pay for keeping your hot tub in perfect condition. And there you have it, the 4 best inflatable hot tubs on the market. Each has its own unique features and benefits, so choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. The Best Way Spa is perfect for those looking for a durable and easy-to-use option with its bubble massage technology and rapid heating system. Ideal for small families or groups of friends. The Intex Pure Spa 4x6 packs stands out for its exceptional comfort and powerful bubble jets, offering a hydrotherapy experience comparable to a traditional spa. Its DuraPlus fiber structure ensures great durability. For those seeking a more intense and therapeutic massage, the Intex Pure Spa Jet 4x6 packs is the ideal choice. With its directional massage jets and hard water treatment system, it provides a personalized and comfortable experience. We can't forget the importance of the maintenance kit, essential for keeping your hot tub in optimal condition. With chemicals to balance the pH, cleaning tools, and replacement filters, this kit will help you prolong the lifespan of your hot tub and keep the water clean and safe. Remember that in the description, we've included links to all these products so you can check the prices or buy them directly. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any content. See you in the next video.